In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix website to Google Analytics quickly and easily. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a better understanding of how to integrate these two powerful tools to help track and analyze your web traffic more effectively. To get started, you'll first need to head over to your Wix account. So go ahead and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the setup section of your dashboard. This is where you'll be able to manage all the back-end settings for your site, including the more nuanced elements like marketing integrations and tags. Now that you're in your setup area, the next step is to click on the marketing option. This can usually be found on the sidebar or within a drop-down menu, depending on how the Wix interface is currently configured. Choosing this will open up additional marketing and analytics tools that Wix offers, but what we are really interested in here is Google Analytics. After accessing the marketing section, you should see an option for Google Analytics. Click on that. At this point, if you haven't set up a Google Analytics account yet, you'll want to make your way over to the Google Analytics website and get that arranged. You'll receive a tracking ID, commonly referred to as a Google Tag ID, which you'll need to continue the setup on Wix. Now, let's focus on setting up that Google Tag ID. Within the Google Analytics section on the Wix dashboard, there should be clear instructions guiding you on how to obtain and set up your Google Tag ID if you haven't done so already. Once you have your tag, paste your Google Tag ID into the designated field in Wix. The next step is crucial. You must ensure that your site is on a premium plan. Google Analytics integration with Wix requires this upgrade to function correctly. So if you haven't already, take a moment to review your current plan and consider upgrading to unlock these features. This upgrade not only enhances your site's capabilities with Google Analytics, but also brings additional benefits like removing Wix ads and accessing more storage and bandwidth. Once everything is in place and your site is configured with the premium plan, you should now be able to connect your Google tags seamlessly. Take a moment to double check that your Google Tag ID is entered correctly and saved in your Wix settings. And there you have it. You're now set up to start gathering and analyzing data on your website's performance through Google Analytics. Integrating Google Analytics into your Wix site is a fantastic way to gain insights into your audience, helping you make data-driven decisions to enhance your website's effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the Analytics dashboard regularly to make the most of all that valuable data at your fingertips.